Here are 10 footage ideas for behind-the-scenes vlogs on your Videography YouTube channel. Pre-production planning. Take your viewers through the process of planning a video shoot. Show them how you brainstorm ideas, create shot lists, and organize logistics. Location scouting. Film yourself exploring potential shooting locations. Discuss the factors you consider when choosing a location and explain why certain places are better suited for specific shots. Gear setup and maintenance. Show your viewers how you set up and maintain your videography equipment. Share tips on organizing gear, cleaning lenses, and ensuring everything is in working order. Lighting setup. Demonstrate how you set up and position lights for different scenes. Discuss the types of lighting equipment you use and explain the techniques you employ to create the desired atmosphere. Camera setup and settings. Walk your audience through your camera setup process. Explain how you choose the appropriate settings for different shooting scenarios, including frame rate, resolution, and white balance. Directing talent. Show how you communicate with actors or subjects during a shoot. Demonstrate how you provide direction, give feedback, and work collaboratively to capture the desired performances. Filming techniques. Share your favorite filming techniques with your audience. Demonstrate how you use techniques like handheld shots, tracking shots, or aerial shots to add visual interest to your videos. B-roll footage. Show how you capture additional footage to enhance your main video. Explain the importance of B-roll and showcase your techniques for capturing interesting and complementary shots. Post-production workflow. Discuss your post-production process, from importing footage to final editing. Show snippets of your editing software and explain your creative decisions during the editing process. Project delivery. Walk your viewers through the final stages of a project. Explain how you export and deliver the final video to clients or platforms, including file formats, compression settings, and upload procedures.